have to try it and see how your LED lamp will clear your no wipe top coat. Okay, so I'm gonna apply no wipe top coat, Glitz no wipe top coat, and it's a shiny, so I am going to apply it and clear for about 15 seconds, just 15 seconds. Because if you clear like 60 seconds, your chromes or your chrome flakes will not adhere anymore, and it's gonna be the best when it just still actually is that 10 seconds? So there are 6 different colors. You can see the hint of it. The first one is like a greenish. The second one, I'm going a different, I think I'll get the right order. This is second jars is like purples, and this one is more like iridescent. The number 4 is like a golden, like goldenish red, and then this one is definitely like a greenish. I don't know, it's just like all beautiful. It doesn't matter. So whatever you pick, you will never go wrong with this. I'm gonna pick number 6. You can pick whatever colors you want, and with this one I'm gonna just dab it in. Is this one right? This one? Yep. So there's full a pack of the jar, so you only need a little. So you dab it in, and the second one I'm gonna rub it in so you can see the effects looks. If you are going to do it like have a unicorn finish, or like I'm really obsessed with this look. You see how it's like flaky. So great. Dab it, make sure. Not beautiful. Looks good in person though. I think it's just the background is make it looks different. I'm gonna close this because this really like light. Don't breathe, because if you breathe, you're gonna blow this whole entire jars away. So now we're gonna leave this one right here because I'm gonna adding crystal placements on. I'm gonna do one nail at a time. So with the crystal placement, what we are going to need is the condensed glue gel, no wipe top coat, and of course with the bestie is precision glue gels. It's gonna be actually double secure, triple secure all your crystal chain and charms. So probably I'm gonna getting a kit number 1, crystal kit number 1. If you're gonna have chance hands on this one, this is absolutely a massive kit. You not only get the kits itself, you get so many of items coming with this, like such as your trifecta, your mystery treasure bags, and then your crystal AB, and then your beads, silvers, and gold. And then you also get yours diamond dust pixie. I say where that gel polish come from. So check that out. They're all like 30% off. Like, you have a couple more days. It's come out. It's amazing price. So when you're seeing the total, do not worry. You hit the checkout button to see the discount price even before you paying for it. So don't miss out, because it's a massive of 2,000 of a centerpiece of crystal in there, and plus a lot of your crystal AB for you to work with. So I am going to start with condensed glue gels. Can you get me the crystal AB from one of the kits? No, crystal AB from one of the kits there. I'm sorry. I should get my crystal AB there. And it's not going to be in here now. It's one of the kits in this drawer. Right drawer right here. But don't worry. We're going to get this one combo. It's in one of my tray. So I'm gonna pick one of this centerpiece here. So I put my frames and my charms in here. You can also do that too. I'm gonna pick one of the centerpiece, a 2,000 centerpiece. Just imagine it, you get one centerpiece for each design. So it will take you 2,000 times to finish this kit. It's definitely It's a great value for your investment. So I'm going ahead and apply the condensed glue gels right on the top of the chrome flake that I just applied. And then we are going to float the no wipe top coat on the top. And then keep in mind, condensed glue gel really thick. So you're gonna spread your bristles and doing a thin coat. If you need to get more, you are going to apply it more, but you don't want to do it too much to really flood your crystals. So just be on the first time you feel like it's not enough, apply a little bit more. But if you feel like too much, you can apply less. So I have my really beautiful glow in the dark, a smaller crystal right here next to me, so I am going to use that as well to just like incorporate. So a lot of you getting the glow in the dark crystal kits already, and it's so exciting and so happy. So you can definitely I really like that one. Oh, nice. It's really good. So I'm gonna add this one on. I'm gonna add just a smaller AB. I mean the glow in the dark crystal size SS8 around with my chicky heart. This is one of the centerpiece that we have in the crystal kits #1. I love it. This is one of my fave. It's absolutely take the my skills and my business to the next level. And if you are doing it for yourself, oh my gosh, congratulations, you are having it's absolutely amazing kits on your hand. You're never go wrong with this. So continue. So after I pick a centerpiece already, and I am going to place the smaller SS really tight and close to the crystals. And then give it a little pressed, so then that way, it's okay, I got it. So that's way to make sure your crystal is secure and is grabbed around with the condensed glue gels and a no wipe top coat. So you continue to add more as you prefer. And guess what happened? I'm gonna have to do this one right here. I'm gonna put some frames on. Okay, so this one's straight. Hey everyone, thanks so much for tuning in. Good. Hello, happy Thursday. I got this time is right, the date is right, so I think so. So now you can definitely, if you're happy with the design, absolutely can't here, but I'm gonna add some beads on. And of course the bead jars come with your beautiful kits as well to like complete your beautiful crystal kits. It looks really good in person though. It looks like a lot of going on under the camera. If I see that under the camera. Really good in person. Like it's obviously you can see the layer of the chrome flake and then the layer of the black colors. You know what? Keep in mind you can apply to any color. So if you don't want the 24s pure jet blacks, you can definitely add different colors on, okay? It's really, it's up to you and what you like for your nails. So I add a couple of frames along with my cheeky hearts, which is one of the centerpiece, and then I using all the SS different sizes, like between size SS4 and SS12. Really cute, simple designs. And then one more before we are. Yeah, now I'm happy with this. I am going to cure this for 60 seconds. I love that how it's a little bit like angle on the sides and it going down.